Hello and welcome. I'm back here at Lowe's checking out the latest deals they have going on for this week. We're going to start off here in the lawn and garden section. In particular, they have the Ego deal here going on where you buy either a brushless trimmer or blower. You get a free 2.5 amp hour battery, and it is a 56 volt one. They have it going until April 16th. That's a pretty good deal there. And then the battery value is $179. Definitely worth picking up if you're in the market for a new string trimmer or leaf blower. And they also have this deal from Ego for $699 for a 21-inch deck self-propelled lawnmower, as it is 56 volt as well. If you purchase this for $699, they will also include a 56 volt 5 amp hour battery for free. It's a good deal to get an extra battery for free. Some of the stats for the mower is that it does have a 60-minute runtime, digital H brushless motor, self-propelled, touch drive, and this one comes with a 7.5 amp hour battery and 550 watt charger included. So that 60-minute runtime would be based on that 7.5 amp hour battery. Whereas the one you're getting for free, the 5 amp hour battery, would have less runtime, but nonetheless, you'd have an extra battery for backup, which is awesome. And they have $100 off of this Ego 22-inch Select Cut XP DP mower. Comes with a 6 amp hour, 2 batteries, which up to a 90-minute runtime, 10.6 pounds of torque. So they have $100 off here, so it's $899 instead of the $999. They have the Ego 26-inch hedge trimmer, limited time deal, priced at $199, and it was $249, saving 50 bucks there. That is good until only April 16th. The kit does include the hedge trimmer, a 2.5 amp hour battery, and a 210 watt charger. And they also have a deal going with the Ego 10-inch pole saw. It is tool only, so they have this deal price at only $269 when it was $299. And they also have a deal on the 56 volt Ego 16-inch brushless chainsaw. They have that price now at $219 and it was $249. Then they also have the 18-inch brushless chainsaw deal at $329 and it was $399. It's a great deal there. They don't say when these deals expire, so just be on the lookout for it, as it could go away soon. And they have another deal on the Ego. It's the 3200 PSI pressure washer. It's a 1.2 gallon per minute. The deal price is saving 100 bucks, so it's at $699. It does have up to a 60-minute run time based on 2 6 amp hour batteries. And also from Ego, they have the 56 volt wet dry vacuum. Comes with a 5 amp hour battery. It's a 9-gallon capacity. It comes with 8 attachments and a 7-foot hose. It runs up to 60 minutes of runtime. They have this deal price at $449 and it was $499. So here they have Toro motor. It's a 60-volt Vortex recycler self-propelled mower for $499. Purchase that, then you get a free 5 amp hour battery. It's good until 4/30, so April 30th. And you can save 30 bucks on this Kobalt 24-volt 16-inch brushless push mower. It's at $299. That's good until April 16th. It does come with 2 batteries that are 4 amp hour rating, up to a 48-minute runtime, 1.7 max foot-pounds of torque, and it is a 16-inch deck, so this would be basically only good for small lawns. And they also have this 40-volt self-propelled mower. It's priced at $429, and it was $449. Comes with a 6 amp hour battery, has up to a 45-minute runtime, 3.2 pounds of torque, and it is a 20-inch deck size for that one. And then another option here, saving 20 bucks off of this 20-inch push mower. Comes with a 6 amp hour battery, has up to a 50-minute runtime, 3.2 foot-pounds of torque, and it is a 20-inch deck size. They have that priced at $329, and it was $349. And they have this Craftsman. It is the brushless push mower. It's a 40 volt. It has 2 20-volt batteries that are 5 amp hour, up to a 50-minute runtime, 5.1 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 20-inch deck size. They have this saving 30 bucks, priced at $299. And they have a Toro gas mower here. It's a 22-inch, 163 cc, 7.25 foot-pounds of torque. Comes with a Briggs & Stratton engine, a 3-in-1 mulching, bagging, or free discharge chute. They have this priced at $499, saving 50 bucks there. That is also good until April 16th. They have a deal on this cordless Craftsman 20 volt 380 CFM blower. They have the deal price at 99 bucks and it was 119. It does come with a battery and charger. They're still having a deal on the 20 volt 6-inch pruning saw. They have it priced at 99 bucks, saving 30. And here's a great deal here, which they must have sold out in this store, so be sure to check your store. They have saving 80 bucks. You can get a Craftsman 20 volt 4 amp hour battery for 39 bucks. That's saving 80. They have a deal going on with the Kobalt system where you buy a select combo kit, you get a free blower bare tool for $129. That's saving 70 bucks there. And you do have to be a My Lowe's Rewards member or My Lowe's Pro Rewards. It is free to join. You can join up through the QR code here. Basically just enter information, phone number, email, address, that sort of thing. It's free to join. It's worth doing to get the savings. They have a clearance deal on the Craftsman 20 volt string trimmer. It is a 10-inch one. It's a string trimmer and edger combination. On clearance for only 79 bucks, saving 10 bucks there. And they have a deal here on the 13-inch weed whacker. And it's also, you turn it to do edging. They have that deal price at only 99 bucks and it was 119. They have a deal for this Craftsman 4-gallon. It's a 3.5 horsepower peak horsepower. And they have different attachments here with a 1.25 inch hose, 10-foot cord with it. Also says it has rear blower, so I guess you could put the hose on the other port to use it as a blower. It is 8 amp rating. Comes with a 3-year warranty. And they have that price now at $44.98. And it was $54.98. And they have a deal on this Craftsman 12-gallon, 6 peak horsepower, 11 amp, 12-foot cord. It also has a detachable blower to it. And these are the attachments it comes with. And it looks like it has a full-size 2.5 inch hose. They have this priced at $89.98 and it was $119. And they have this Craftsman 8-gallon, 3.5 horsepower, 10-foot cord, 1 7/8 inch hose, different fittings here. Yeah, this priced at $78.98 and it was $84. And here's another option here. It's a 5-gallon, 4 horsepower with a metal canister. It comes with an 1.25 inch hose, different attachments. Also could be used with as a blower. They have this priced at $44.98, saving 15 bucks there. And that is good until April 9th, so better hurry there. They have a deal on this shop vac. It's 12 gallons, 6 horsepower, 1.5 inch diameter tools. Comes with these different attachments as well as filter. They have this deal priced at $109.98 and it was $129. They also have a deal on this shop vac. It's 14 gallons, 5.5 horsepower, 2.5 inch diameter tools. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty. They have this priced at $119.98 and it was $139. If you're looking for a cheap compressor, they have this 3-gallon portable pancake compressor. It has a single port, has a maximum of 110 PSI. It's a 3rd horsepower oil-free motor. They have this deal priced at $49.98 and it was $79.98. They have this Kobalt 10-gallon, maximum of 175 PSI compressor, and it's supposedly low decibels at 69 decibels. They have a deal price on this one at only $269 and it was $319. Done some really huge markdowns on the flex tools here. I'll start off here with the 2-tool drill driver and impact driver kit. They have this now priced at $129 and it was $249. This is the kit that you get for free when you purchase the Flex Stack Pack box here for $249. You get this kit for free. It was priced at $249, so they huge discount there. That's a great deal for the 24 volt system. Here they have on clearance this Flex 24 volt 1/2 inch 2-speed hammer drill with turbo mode kit. They have this on clearance for $143 and it was $179. Then they also have the 1/4 inch drive impact driver kit here on clearance for $149 and it was $199. And also from Flex, they have the 24 volt 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench kit on clearance for $199 and it was $349. Great deal there. Now it's a chance to get some Flex tools if you're in the market for them. And here's that deal again on the Craftsman 4 amp hour 20 volt battery for 39 bucks. It was $119. So be sure to check the tool department in your store because it was out of stock over in the lawn and garden department. So they have a few here in the tool department. So excellent deal there. You see they did have it previously priced at actually $49 as a special limited time value, but obviously saving even another 10 bucks is an awesome deal. And they have for 69 bucks, you can get a 6 amp hour battery, and it was 79. And they have saving 60 bucks here. You can get the 4 amp hour battery and charger for only 79 bucks there. In the tool clearance section here on the end cap, they have in the tool aisle, they have this Craftsman 20 volt hammer drill, brushless, and they have this on clearance now for only $49.50, and it was $99. That's a great deal there. And they have at least 5 of them in this store, so be sure to check your store, see what they have. And they still have the DeWalt pipe cutter here that goes onto the impact driver for $89. It was $119. No other good deals to mention here in the tool clearance section. If you're liking this video so far, I would appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel and help spread the word to other tool deal enthusiasts. And here's your chance on Klein Tools, the electronic stud finder. You can save 5 bucks. They have it priced now at $29.98, and it was $34.98. They do have a deal on this Klein Tools 20-in-1 impact driver set. They have a bunch of bits that goes in the handle here, as well as different sockets. These are the sizes they are in. It's a SAE. So they have this priced at $29.98, and it was $39.98. They are impact rated, so you can use it in your impact driver or as a hand tool. And also for $29.98, they have this 8-piece all-purpose screwdriver set. It comes with a magnetizer and demagnetizer for $29.98, saving 10 bucks there. They have a deal on this Irwin lift level. They have this now priced at 79 bucks. It was 99. This has a 330-pound lift capacity up to 10 inches in height. This would be great for hanging doors or even cabinets. It's an extra set of hand, basically, to be able to hold stuff right where you need it. It does have a micro adjustment where you can adjust it up and down, which makes it convenient to adjust the project that you're working on. They have a great deal going on with this Craftsman 52-inch 10-drawer base cabinet here. They have this marked down now to only $3.99, and it was $5.39. This also includes drawer liners, but they don't have them here. But the sticker mentions that it does. And they are soft close, so that's a pretty good deal at $3.99. And for the upper box, they have this. It's priced at $2.99, and it was $4.19. So it's 52-inch, 8-drawer chest, and also includes the drawer liners. On the back part of it, it does have like pegboard in it in the back part, and then also outlet strip with a USB and USB-C charging ports. So it makes it convenient to be able to charge tools up on the top shelf here. Now this is the first time I've seen this being offered from Kobalt. It actually makes sense because, so they have this metal steel racking here. As an example, it is a 4-shelf rack that's 72 inches, or you could go with this base rack here. It is $2.99. It is $100 more than what you can get one at Sam's or Costco. But the thing that's unique is that you can actually go and buy the individual pieces to extend it out. Because technically you could buy 2 of these, and then you can run it right next to each other, another shelf, which is why there's 2 holes here. This side is for this side shelf, and you can have another shelf right next to it going this way, and you're sharing the same post. So now they're making it convenient where you can buy the individual posts. For example, they have an 84-inch one for $27, and they have a 72-inch one for $24, and they have different heights too with them. And then they have the shelf support here, sold as a pair. So they have a couple different lengths there for the shelves. And then they have the wire racking also separate. So it makes it very convenient to be able to do different configurations where you're able to run it along as one total system. And like I said, you're able to share the posts between the different shelving units. That makes absolute sense to do that. So if you're in the market for a shelf system, now's your chance to be able to do something like this. Very nice. All right, that's going to conclude this week's tool deal video from Lowe's. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. All right, since it was so noisy, we'll cut out that last clip. They have this 2-tool flex combo kit here. There's a drill driver in it. They have this drill, my A.